Hello, and welcome to LIB 9010 ETD Format and Submission. This course is the submission process for theses and dissertations to the library for graduation. You should only be enrolled in the course during the semester in which you intend to apply for graduation. If you are not graduating this semester, you will need to drop the course immediately. Since registration is required, you need to follow the registrar's office's deadlines for adding and dropping during the semester. If you discover that you will need to drop the course later in the semester, please contact the ETD office to initiate a drop request. If you need assistance formatting your document, our office offers a number of both online and in-person workshops each semester. A full list of the workshops, as well as their registration links, can be found on the library's website. You can also set up a one-on-one consultation to discuss your specific formatting issues in depth. Consultations are also in person or online via WebEx or Teams. Please visit our website or email us to set up a consultation. In the remainder of this video, I will walk you through how to navigate Canvas and the submission process. So once you are enrolled in the course, and the course becomes available in Canvas, usually about 2 weeks prior to the start of the semester, you'll be able to access everything you need for the submission of your thesis or dissertation to the library. Here from the home page, please note the announcements link as we make use of this throughout the semester, sending reminders about upcoming deadlines or any changes that may have happened. Everything will be submitted to our office through the modules page, and if you need to see where you are in the submission process, you can check your grades. On the right of the home page, there is a to-do list where all of the workshops for the semester, as well as the due dates for each of the modules, will appear. Please note that all of the workshops are optional, and the links to them are here only to assist you if you need to attend one. If you need to contact our office, we do have contact information listed at the bottom of the home page right here, or you can send us a direct link through Canvas using the inbox. All right, now we're going to view the modules page. So from here, you will start with this View Me First video. It is the video you're watching now, and you will complete the associated quiz. For this quiz, you must score at least 8 out of 10 correct in order for the submission modules to begin opening. The submission modules will remain locked until you receive grades for the previous one. This way, you're submitting everything in the correct order. If at any point you are curious about what the next module will entail, please view this module's overview, as it includes information about what is required for the module, how long it takes to complete, and how it is graded. Most of the modules are manually graded, so you will have to wait for someone in the office to review the submission and assign a grade. A number of the modules also have their own tutorial videos, which goes more in depth on what is required for each of those modules. To complete the initial submission, you will need to complete modules 1, 2, and 3, and if you're a PhD candidate, you will also complete module 4. For the final approval deadline, you will need to complete modules 5 and 6. Let's talk about the initial submission of your document. You will do that in Module 3. This is where you will upload your document for formatting review. Please note that we are checking for formatting only, so we do not look at the content, your grammar, your citations, or check for plagiarism. Instead, we are looking at your tables and figures, we're looking at your margins and your subheadings, and we're making sure everything meets the standards set by the graduate school. We're also checking your document to ensure that you have built in the proper web accessibility requirements so that your document meets all of those standards as well. Since you are required to use one of the library's provided templates, we do offer a number of tutorial videos that you can access here from the modules page on how to use those templates. We also have a list of the formatting standards as well as a rubric that we use when we're looking at the formatting for your documents. If you need to download a copy of the template, you can do so here from the modules page as well. If at any point you're having trouble with formatting or you need assistance, please remember to contact our office. Again, our contact information is available here in Canvas for you.